In this video, I'll show you how to create better Instagram content in Canva so your posts look more polished, consistent, and scroll stopping. First, go to canva.com and log in. Click Create a Design and choose Instagram Post for square feed content or Instagram Story if you're designing vertically. This ensures your design is already in the correct size for Instagram. Now browse the templates on the left. Pick one that matches your niche or brand vibe. Starting with a template saves time and gives you a professional layout instantly. Once it opens, customize everything. Replace the images with your own by clicking Uploads or use Canva's photo library. Make sure your images are clear, bright, and on brand. Next, adjust the colors. Try to stick to 2 or 3 brand colors for consistency. This helps your feed look cohesive when someone visits your profile. Edit the text by double-clicking it. Use bold, clean fonts and avoid using too many different styles. Keep your message short and easy to read, especially for feed posts. To level it up, click Edit Image to adjust brightness, contrast, or apply subtle filters. You can also add shadows to text or elements for extra depth. If you want to reuse your design in different formats, click Resize at the top if you have Canva Pro. This lets you instantly convert your post into a story, reel cover, or even Pinterest pin. When you're done, click Share, then download as PNG for high quality, or use Schedule if you want to publish directly to Instagram through Canva. And that's it. That's how you create better Instagram content using Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials.